Firstly, congratulations for being a
Thank you.
brand ambassador.
Thank you so much.
Tell me, what was this kind of thing you felt that you should be a part of this?
I think I really like the values that the brand had. It aligned with mine, and I think as a sportsman, I know the importance of health. And since they were very focused on creating much better items for promoting health for the society, I think that's what really uh, seemed attractive to me, and I really wanted to associate with a brand that promotes such values. Yeah.
Okay, when it comes to health, what kind of health tips you want to give to everyone and what you follow personally?
I think I would say I'm not so how do I say very disciplined with food. I would just say that be mindful of what you're eating. I think when you know it's not good for you, don't do it, because you know for a fact that it's not good for you. So then don't do it. Have your own comfort foods, but I think in a good thing about our generation is we have such good alternatives for anything that you might crave as a junk. So I would say go for such ones. When you know there is an alternative, go for it. Don't just ignore certain facts and listen to your body. I would say that, and I would also suggest doing good checkups. I think everybody needs that. Don't just keep it to a last end. As an athlete, we have regular checkups because we need to know what is happening internally, and yeah, I think just keep it simple.
Yeah. And what about the next tournaments? Where are you practicing? What are you doing nowadays?
I'm on a little break now because we've been having continuous tournaments. So there's nothing until July end. We have another World Cup in China. So I think that would be, and then before that we'll have some preparatory camps. So yeah, as of now we have that, and then we have the Asian Games, World Championship.
Your coach who was always fit and had been encouraging you. What were those moments with him? Now he's no more.
So he wasn't my coach currently, but yes, I did have a privilege of training under Mr. Jaspal Rana for about 5 to 6 months, and I would say he's a legend himself. Nobody really can replace that. He was one of those people during his time who brought so much fame to our sport, and I think Indian shooting is where it is today. The fame, the popularity that we have is he's one of the biggest reasons why. He broke limits at a time where shooting wasn't really known in India, and very grateful for his legacy. And I think, yeah, grateful to be part of his life. Yeah.
You want to tell somebody who wants to come into this sport?
Yeah, sure. I think anybody who's wanting to come into shooting now, especially in Hyderabad, you have so much of facilities now. I didn't have that back then. I think 10 years ago, I had to always go traveling around India looking for a basic coach or a basic range. But now I think we are having some great academies like Gun for Glory by Gagan Narang. I would say you can go into one of those, and yeah, don't just give up when you have early failures. I would say it's very natural to have that, but rather count that experience, take notes, and come back stronger.
Right.
Thank you.